Hey, Alister Gray here of Mindful Talent. Today we're going to be talking about what is life coaching. You see, there are so many misconceptions about what coaching actually is. Many people think that coaches give advice or provide information on how someone should live their life. Many people think that coaches pass on their own experience to help others. But in all of those situations and examples, the coach is in the driving seat. And that's not what coaching is. You see, what coaching is in its purest form, and the essence of coaching, is all about holding space powerfully for another human being to realize their own potential, to have insights and moments of realization that enable them to move forward in life, to realize their own potential and then to express that potential out into the world, to follow their heart and to look for opportunities to live the life that they imagine. That is what a true coach does. They don't give advice. They don't tell their clients what to do or what path or choice to make. And instead, they trust that their client, that the coachee, has all the answers and the wisdom within. So coaching is a powerful experience that takes the client or the coachee on a journey where they are guided and supported and challenged by the coach. The coach works with the client by asking powerful questions, by listening on a whole new level, not only listening for the words that are said, but also for the meaning and the things that aren't said. The coach reflects back and observes behavior in the client to hold up the mirror and make them aware of some of these self-limiting beliefs and some of the behaviors that may be holding them back. This is all the job of a coach. Coaching is an art. It is an art because the coach has to be so present and aware that they pick up on all the little nuances and all the things that may give them access to help the client experience an insight. This is what a coach does. It is a beautiful, beautiful experience and a very important privilege to sit in the seat of a coach. You get to become so intimate with your clients. You become the confidant that they come to and express some of their deepest fears, but also some of their greatest and biggest dreams. And how amazing is that? And that's what coaching is. We allow that space for the magic to happen. And it's a 200% relationship. The client has to bring 100% of themselves, as does the coach. The coach has to bring 100% of themselves. A 200% relationship which leads to miracles and magic happening in life. Now, if you've never had coaching before, it's difficult to explain. It's a bit like trying to explain to someone what swimming in a swimming pool or the sea would feel like. You could describe it as best you can, but words can only take you so far. The experience itself is what makes you aware of the power that lies in a coaching partnership. So this is what life coaching is. This is what transformational coaching is. It is an incredible and beautiful experience, a relationship which leads to many new beginnings and also helps individuals to connect to the truth of who they are. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care, and I look forward to connecting soon. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you love the content and you would like to find out more about becoming a transformational coach, then click the link below and we would love to jump on a call with you. You can also subscribe to this channel where we'll be releasing 2 to 3 new videos each and every week. So subscribe now, hit the notifications, and we look forward to connecting soon. Thank you.